Aloha everybody, it's Author Joe Holt. Currently at Montrose Watersports Park, also known as River Bottom. It's out that way. See, I'm at the back of the park by the playgrounds, basketball courts. And just out the back here is a wheelchair accessible ramp that leads out to the Uncompahgre River. Wheelchair accessible fly fishing. How awesome is that? Head out here and take a look. Wow, the water's running really nice. Little sharp bend here on this one side. Comes around in front of you, nice flow. Then heads off downstream. The ramp comes all the way over here. See, you got some nice still water right here to fish. Or if you want, you can toss in, float them down. But just wanted you guys to know, handicap accessible, so don't let being in a chair or canes, crutches, whatever, stop you from getting out here on the water. As far as I know, Montrose Watersports Park is the only park with wheelchair accessible ramps. So further down that way, which is on the other side of the footbridge when you come in through the park, if you walk along the path along the river, you will find a concrete ramp with a handrail that goes right into the water. So it's a really, really great spot. Come on down. Aloha.